Her legs felt numb. Her hands tingled all day, making simple tasks feel impossible. This was Carol's reality at 72, until she found a natural solution in her grocery store fruit. As she added these fruits to her diet, the tingling faded and her strength returned. Carol's story is a reminder. Numbness and weakness are often early warning signs, sometimes of collagen loss, poor circulation, or nerve damage. But decline isn't inevitable. Nature offers powerful tools to fight back. Today we'll reveal 8 fruits packed with nutrients that help rebuild collagen, restore circulation, and protect nerves. Most people have never heard of the benefits of fruit number 4. If you want to stay strong and independent after 60, subscribe to the longevity table. Let's dive in. Our journey to discover nature's collagen boosters starts with the guava, a fruit often underestimated but incredibly powerful. It's a true collagen superstar, packed with nutrients that support your body's natural ability to produce and maintain this vital protein. Incredibly, one guava has up to 4 times the vitamin C of an orange, making it an exceptional source of this crucial nutrient. This high vitamin C content is absolutely essential for collagen production, the process that keeps your skin firm and your tissues strong. Without enough vitamin C in your diet, your body simply can't maintain healthy skin, flexible joints, or properly functioning nerves. It's a foundational element for overall well-being. Guava is also rich in antioxidants, including lycopene and quercetin, powerful compounds that combat free radicals and protect your cells. These antioxidants shield nerves from oxidative stress, acting as a natural defense system. Oxidative stress is a major cause of tingling and numbness, so guava can help alleviate these uncomfortable sensations. The potassium found in guava also plays a vital role, supporting healthy nerve function and proper muscle contraction, helping prevent muscle weakness and those painful disruptive cramps that can affect your daily life. And let's not forget the fiber. Its fiber feeds your gut's good bacteria, promoting a healthy microbiome. This in turn aids in reducing inflammation throughout your body, contributing to overall wellness. Enjoy guava fresh, savoring its unique flavor and texture. Blend it into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious drink, or chop it into salads, adding a tropical twist and a boost of nutrients. For maximum benefit, just eat the whole fruit, including the skin, as it's packed with even more goodness. Remember, consistency is key to reaping the full rewards of this amazing fruit. Guava isn't just tasty, it's truly therapeutic, offering a wide range of health benefits. It delivers a potent dose of vitamin C to support collagen synthesis, provides antioxidants for nerve protection against damaging free radicals, offers essential minerals for optimal muscle function and contraction, and supplies fiber to aid digestion and reduce inflammation throughout your system. This simple fruit can have profound effects on your overall health and mobility, contributing to a more active and fulfilling life. Make a conscious effort to add it to your daily routine and feel the remarkable difference it can make. Guava is living proof that even small dietary changes can yield surprisingly big and beneficial results for your health. So don't overlook this incredible tropical powerhouse. It's a true gift from nature. Your joints, skin, and nerves will undoubtedly thank you for incorporating this amazing fruit into your diet. Next up, we have the often overlooked yet incredibly beneficial humble kiwi, a true vitamin C powerhouse, packed with more of this essential nutrient than many other fruits. Just one large kiwi gives you well over 100% of your recommended daily vitamin C intake, which is absolutely crucial for collagen production, leading to strong and healthy joints. But the benefits don't stop there. Kiwi's impressive array of antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, work diligently to protect your delicate nerves from the damaging effects of oxidative stress, helping to prevent those uncomfortable sensations of tingling and numbness that can sometimes occur. Furthermore, the unique enzyme actinidin found in kiwi aids in digestion, significantly boosting nutrient absorption from the foods you eat. This enhanced absorption is vital for maintaining better collagen levels and optimal nerve health. And let's not forget that kiwi is also a fantastic source of folate, a crucial B vitamin that plays a vital role in nerve function and the production of essential neurotransmitters in the brain. In addition to all of these benefits, its potent anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for alleviating joint pain and reducing stiffness. Enjoy kiwi sliced on top of yogurt, blended into refreshing smoothies, or simply enjoy it as a snack, skin and all, for an extra boost of fiber. With every bite, kiwi delivers a powerful dose of vitamin C, a wealth of antioxidants, beneficial enzymes, and essential folate, making it a truly comprehensive package for supporting senior health and well-being. It actively repairs, diligently protects, and effectively strengthens your body from the inside out. So, add kiwi to your daily routine and experience a delicious and nutritious boost. It's truly food as medicine, working synergistically to support the health of your nerves and joints. So don't underestimate the power of this small, fuzzy, green gem. Your body will undoubtedly feel the positive difference. Meet black currants, tiny berries with massive benefits. Their deep purple color signals high anthocyanin content, which improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your nerves and tissues, easing numbness and weakness. Black currants rival guavas and kiwis in vitamin C, strengthening blood vessels and supporting collagen. Their anti-inflammatory power protects your circulatory system and nerves from damage. Anthocyanins also support cognitive and nerve health, helping repair minor nerve damage. Enjoy black currants frozen in smoothies, stirred into yogurt, or as a diluted juice. They're small but mighty, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and protecting nerves. If you struggle with cold hands or tingling, black currants are a must. Seek them out for a potent health boost. These berries prove that big medicine can come in small packages. Add them to your diet and feel the difference. Your nerves and blood vessels will thank you. Pineapple, with its vibrant color and tropical allure, was once viewed with skepticism, even avoided by seniors. But science, with its relentless pursuit of knowledge, now celebrates its remarkable pain-fighting power, revealing benefits previously unknown. Its secret weapon, the key to its therapeutic potential, is bromelain, an enzyme renowned for its ability to significantly reduce inflammation and alleviate nerve pain, offering a natural alternative for those seeking relief. In some instances, bromelain works just as effectively as medication, providing a gentler, plant-based approach to managing discomfort. Pineapple's abundant vitamin C content plays a crucial role in helping rebuild cartilage, the protective tissue in our joints. It also aids in maintaining the health of the myelin sheath, the vital insulation that protects our nerves and ensures proper nerve function. Furthermore, the manganese found in pineapple actively supports your body's own antioxidant defenses, strengthening its ability to combat cellular damage. This protection is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cells and preventing the onset of nerve-related issues. Together, bromelain, vitamin C, and manganese form a powerful trio of nutrients. They work synergistically to tackle pain, repair tissues that have been damaged, and prevent further damage from occurring, safeguarding your body's well-being. For the most benefit, eat fresh or frozen pineapple, ensuring you receive the full spectrum of its beneficial compounds. Add it to smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious boost, or simply enjoy it as a delicious and healthy snack. Some individuals find that eating it on an empty stomach significantly boosts bromelain's effects, maximizing its therapeutic potential. Pineapple is no longer controversial. Its benefits are becoming increasingly clear. It's now recognized as essential for natural pain relief and promoting optimal nerve health. Don't let old myths and outdated beliefs keep you from experiencing the healing power of this tropical fruit. Add pineapple to your daily routine, making it a consistent part of your diet. Observe and notice the positive difference it makes in the health of your joints and nerves over time. It's a comprehensive approach to achieving greater comfort, improved mobility, and overall well-being. Embrace pineapple as a delicious and natural way to cultivate a sweeter, more vibrant, and pain-free life. Your body will undoubtedly thank you for this nourishing and beneficial addition to your diet. Strawberries are more than a sweet treat, they're a health powerhouse. Packed with vitamin C, they help rebuild collagen and reduce numbness. Their anthocyanins fight inflammation, easing joint pain and nerve irritation. Fisetin, a unique antioxidant in strawberries, helps clear out old inflammatory cells, supporting tissue repair. Manganese in strawberries strengthens bones and connective tissue. With a low glycemic index, strawberries protect nerves from blood sugar spikes. Enjoy them fresh or frozen in snacks, salads or smoothies. Avoid sugary processed versions. Strawberries deliver collagen support, inflammation relief, and nerve protection in every bite. They're proof that common foods can have extraordinary benefits. Add strawberries to your daily routine for strength and vitality. Your joints and nerves will thank you. Oranges are the classic vitamin C source. Accessible, affordable, and reliable. Their vitamin C strengthens blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing numbness. Oranges contain hesperidin, a flavonoid in the white pith which supports healthy blood vessels and lowers inflammation. They're over 80% water, helping keep you hydrated for optimal nerve and muscle function. Oranges also provide potassium and calcium, supporting muscle contraction and nerve signaling. Eat them whole for fiber or add segments to salads and yogurt. Oranges are convenient, portable, and available year-round. They deliver vitamin C, unique flavonoids, hydration, and key minerals. Don't underestimate this classic. Its benefits are foundational for senior health. Oranges reinforce your vascular system and support strong nerves and muscles. Add them to your daily routine for lasting strength. The humble orange is a true health hero. Your body will feel the difference. Blueberries are famous for brain health, but they're also powerful for nerves and joints. Their anthocyanins fight oxidative stress and inflammation, restoring a healthy environment for nerve signals. This means better muscle control and less weakness. Blueberries reduce joint inflammation, easing pain, and slowing cartilage breakdown. Their antioxidants help protect existing collagen from being broken down. Blueberries' fiber supports gut health, which lowers overall inflammation. Enjoy them fresh or frozen in oatmeal, smoothies, or as a snack. Blueberries are a holistic tool for reversing weakness and supporting joint health. They fight inflammation, protect collagen, and support a healthy gut. Add blueberries to your daily routine for stronger nerves and joints. They're a delicious, science-backed way to preserve your mobility. Your body will thank you. Papaya is more than a digestive aid. It's a muscle and collagen booster. Loaded with vitamin C, papaya supports strong collagen for skin, joints, and nerves. Its enzyme papain helps you absorb protein, providing the building blocks for muscle and collagen. This is crucial for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. Papaya's antioxidants, including lycopene, protect your body from cellular damage. Its anti-inflammatory properties ease joint pain, making movement easier and strengthening muscles. Enjoy papaya sliced, in smoothies, or in fruit salads. Choose ripe yellow-orange fruit for best flavor and benefits. Papaya delivers vitamin C, enzymes, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory power. It supports digestion, muscle strength, and joint comfort. Add papaya to your routine for a multifaceted health boost. It's a delicious way to stay strong and vibrant. Don't overlook this tropical gem. Your muscles and joints will thank you. We've explored 8 powerful fruits that rebuild collagen, improve circulation, and strengthen nerves and muscles. Which fruit will you try first? Share in the comments and inspire others. For best results, enjoy these fruits in the morning or with lean protein to boost absorption. Simple options: a smoothie, fruit salad, or healthy dessert. Remember, pair these fruits with hydration, gentle movement, and quality sleep for maximum benefit. Try just one today. Your body may surprise you. Subscribe to the Longevity Table for more science-backed senior health tips. Here's to a stronger, healthier you.